welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your music teacher private business. If you are a private music teacher, then managing all the lesson bookings and sending reminders can take up a lot of your time. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send reminders and automate this whole process on our behalf. And not only this, it will also feed all the data in your Google Sheets automatically. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, let me take you to my screen. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for private music teaching with the help of Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. This chatbot will not only respond to students, but it will also save the reminder dates on Google Sheets. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds us with, "Hi, I am your music coach bot. Here's what I can help you with. Book a lesson, practice reminder and music questions." So I'm going to select the first option that says book a lesson. And our chatbot responds us with, "Awesome. Please send your name." So here I'm going to send a demo response as demo user. And then it asks for the instrument. So I'm going to respond with guitar. You are booked for demo user for guitar. Link to lesson, and it has provided us with a clickable link. Don't forget to warm up. Then I'm going to select the second option as practice reminder. When would you like to practice reminders? Share preferred date. So here I'm going to share a preferred date such as this. And then it asks for the instrument. I'm going to say guitar. And it responds me, "We will send you reminders as time to practice for guitar on this date." And here you can see it has added our details on the sheet automatically. And lastly, I'm going to select the last option that says music question. And it responds me with, "Our live team is available 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Saturday, or call us directly at this given number." So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for private music teaching business. We have created this chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. To begin creating this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach Chatflow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Private Music Teaching. On the screen you can see there is a Flow Start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can help us by activating the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. So here I am going to add a welcome message. Here I have added this message and here with the help of add button, I am going to add some quick reply options such as book a lesson as well as practice reminder, and lastly I am going to add an option of music question. Once we have created our first message, we have to curate response for each quick reply option. Let's begin with book a lesson, and for this we have to access the action type notes. Then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box, and here I'm going to add. Here I've added awesome. Please send your name. And here you can see we have an option to select contact custom field. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check the link in the description box. When we click on contact custom field, we get all the options in the drop down. So I'm going to select name and as format, I'm going to select text. And here we get number of attempts. You can provide as many number of attempts as you want, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to create another question. And then in the contact custom field, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select any. Then I'm going to link it to the question box. Then I'm going to send a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message, and here I'm going to add little star signs because it will make our message appear bold, which will make it look more presentable. Our message will look like this. We have to curate response for the second option that says practice reminder. And for this I'm going to access the question box again, and here I'm going to choose preferred date. So I'm going to connect it. Here I've added this question, when would you like daily practice reminders, share preferred date. And in the contact custom field, I'm going to select time, and as format, I'm going to select any. Then I'm going to access another question box, and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message, and for instrument, I'm going to select name, and as format, I'm going to select text. You can add number of attempts and validation message, and then I'm going to link it to the API request key. To use API request, we have to get webhook URL from Pabbly Connect. So let's visit Pabbly Connect's dashboard. By clicking on create new workflow, you can create a new workflow. Here is private music teaching workflow. We have to choose a trigger app as Pabbly Chatflow, trigger event as message received, and here we get the webhook URL which we have to copy and paste it in our API request. And then we have to select it as post, and as key we have to use time and select contact custom key as $time, and then I'm going to select another field as name, and as contact custom field we have to select $name, and then we have to test it. API request successful. Here we have received the responses. That means we have connected this workflow successfully with API request. Now we have to choose a trigger application, and for that I'm going to select Google Sheets. Here's the option of Google Sheets. We have to select event as add a new row, and then we have to click on connect. Here our spreadsheet is connected. Sheet 1. Here we have to map the data from our sheet. For name, we have to select name, and for daily reminder, we have to select time. And then we have to save and send request. And then we have to open our Google Sheets to see whether it's working successfully or not. Here you can see the fields have been added. That means our flow is working perfectly fine. So we have to go back to the flows, and then we have to save this. and webhook URL is added. So lastly, we are going to send a confirmation message, attaching it to the fallback. Here I have added this message. It will look like this to the user. Lastly, we are going to curate a response for music questions, and for this I am going to access text button again, and here I am going to add. Here I have added contact details in case the user wants to ask any question. So this is the WhatsApp chat flow that I have created for WhatsApp chatbot for private music teaching. You can create this chatbot easily following the same procedure as I have shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you have to save it from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.